I woke up late today, so the sunlight is already there. See, today we don't have to go office because haven't received the mail to pick up the set and ID. Once the mail comes, we have to wait till 1. Then we have to do another office to pick up this stuff. Now we will go to gym first and let's see how the gym is. Let's go for gym. Go smash. We have to go down to the gym. It is in basement, so we have to go outside. Then no, this is it. That is not
बिजली बिल नहीं आया बिजली बिल इलेक्ट्रिशियन बिल था इलेक्ट्रिशियन बिल
this is the
इलेक्ट्रिशियन बिल बिल बिल
your shoes allow it? Shoes allow it?
हाँ हेलो हाँ हेलो
We will first start with yoga. Going back to home, we'll go freshen up and then go to breakfast. I have freshened up now, so we'll be reading this book, Bhagavad Gita. I have already read some part of it. Now we'll start where I have left. It's already 10. Now we have to go for breakfast. It's too late for breakfast. But this today I woke up late, so everything is gonna be late. Maybe don't turn out to late. Waiting. Let's go. Nobody is known. Everyone have left for their job. Let's go. So today we are having rava idli chutney and sambar. Seems good enough. No, I can't say it's delicious today. Seems normal, nothing great. Let's have it and try. First time having rava idli actually. Not had rava idli. I had normal urad dal idli. Let's see how it is. Yeah, it's nice. Pretty nice. I didn't expect that, but pretty good to have it in the morning light. So we have done our breakfast. Now I got a call from my office that we have to visit office on daily basis. So we have to get ready fast and go to office immediately. So let's go. We have reached to our room. It's going. Nobody is there. It feels like empty. So now we have to get ready again. So let's go. I might feel cold, so I'm keeping my jacket because today I wasn't able to sleep well due to cold. So now I have been ready. Now clean up my bag and now I'm leaving for the office. So let's go. We have keys here. Oh, I forgot to wear shoes. Okay. It has been wet. I kept it in the balcony so it will dry out. Okay, let's go. I don't know how to lock this door. Let's try it. Spin lock. We will submit the keys into this section so whoever will come can take keys and get in. Let's go. We have to go fix now. Okay, I had told them that I will be there in 30 minutes, but it's already 30 minutes completed. So we have to rush. And we have to create a pass also. So now I am in campus area. Now we will go to reception and create our ID pass. So it would be easy because I don't have ID yet. So we are going to raise tickets and all stuff. The formalities thing is going to be good because I still have to struggle. We are going for tea with my colleague.
Okay.
Some are there.
But he told me saying I'm staying with your colleague.
Because you are lantern.
No, you have to take my tea, not his tea.
Because I am part of his team.
Not my team, it's our team.
And I'm not part of it. How are you?
Yet.
Yet to be just a decision making going on.
Every money you give me, like,
I will edit through the video. Just making fun of you. We are going for tea with my colleague.
okay.
Some are there.
But he told me saying I'm staying with your colleague.
Because you are lantern.
No, you have to take my tea, not his tea.
Because I am part of his team.
Not my team, it's our team.
And I'm not part of it. How are you?
I have left the office. It's around 6:40. We are going home. Let's go. I'm tired sitting bored because there was no work. I don't have any access, so I can't go.
straight go home. We will freshen up. I will do some editing and videos and post and see you soon. My post will be coming. When you will saw this video, it will be already posted. But let's see. I'm starting vlogging, but I don't have any experience about it and neither experience in editing. So let's see how it goes. It is new journey in new way with a sweet motive. So I will say go home. We will freshen up. I will do some editing and videos and let's see the keys are there or not. We have it. Someone might have reached. Waiting for the lift.
हमेशा ब्लैक में रहता है
ब्लैक
ब्लैक में ही रहता है
नहीं वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. सो दिस इज माय मैनेजर ऑफ केजी अजय सर.
हाँ इसको एडिट कर करके होना चाहिए.
सो एक वीडियो अपलोड हो चुकी है, आप देख सकते हो. जिस दिन मैं आई थी उस दिन का हो चुका है. मैं बाकी के 2 दिन का एडिटिंग कर रहा है. सो वी हैव रीच होम. Bit tired. So I have freshen up now after office. I can't shoot into room because she is sleeping and she don't like noise. So I think we should get out to get detergent and tiffin lunchbox. Let's step out. Things done. We gone few things like detergent and the supplement for separate. So it's nearby in Vishal Nigam. So we will be going there. Finding out the stuff. Things done. We gone few things like detergent and the supplement for separate. So it's nearby in Vishal Nigam. So we have to go straight forward and tell the market. The evening is wonderful, but the traffic is too much. You can see everywhere. Not a single road will be at this point of time, especially. So I am going to the campus area. So it will be easier to go rather than road because lock this takes almost 1 hour to go to main road directly. When we went for the PG visit, we saw that too long. It's safer to go from here. We will get buggy too, so that will become easier to us.
तेरा गाड़ी किधर है? तेरा गाड़ी किधर है? उसका गाड़ी क्यों बैठा है?
So we have taken the buggy.
उसका
Now
गाड़ी क्यों बैठा है?
go to main gate.
इधर है, कोई इधर उधर है, एक गाड़ी बैठा के एक गाड़ी में हो गया लेके.
स्टॉप
Now we have these 2 main gates. Now we have to walk for around 2-3 minutes, then we'll cross the road and we have to cross a bridge too, then we will go to Mart. 4 to 5 minutes hardly. Now we have these 2 main gates. Now we have to walk. So this uncle dropped me at Vishal Mart. We will be going there. We have to go cutlery section.
Okay, I think this one can do that.
Our lunch box. Where will find?
Lunch box like that, first floor.
First floor.
Second floor.
Second floor. Where's the lift? Lift. A vlog shooting. So we are going for here only dress material, fabrics and all. We have to go on second floor. See said. First floor. Also. There is jeans and kids section of this. We come from household section.
So I have bought tiffin and plate, but there is no bag, so I have to carry like this. Let's go.
This is your office? Nice. So you are staying here only? Okay, opposite direction. This feels like a काम वाली बाई मटका लेके चलो. And some machhi is getting sold on whole fish. The smell is good, but I'm not willing to have. So now I am waiting for that buggy. Once it will come, we will go. There's no one, but it will come soon. Let's see. So I have packed everything because we have to move another room. I just reached home and I packed everything because my manager said that you have to move another room because this was for few days. We have moved to another room. This is my podcast and everything. This is bit compact room. You can see. So now I have to settle it up out. Nothing much to settle out. We have to just remove this baggage from here and have nothing to do the rest. So we have already business space. This is bit compact. We have this drawer also. We have moved to another room. This is my podcast and everything. This is bit compact room. You can see. So now. So we are going for dinner. Let's go from new room. So bye. Today I got my plates. Now I don't have to ask for plate. We will go through lift today. Just to So I came for dinner. Now we have egg rice. We have gobi rice, we have achar. Let's try it out how it is. Taste-wise, this is very good, but the burning sensation is still there. When I eat, the neck start burning due to some masala. Let's try out gobi rice. It seems same, nothing different, but let's try it. This is actually better than egg rice, very well. The egg rice is not that better, but the gobi rice is too good. So I had dinner. I had egg rice and the gobi rice. Was fun, tasty. Yeah. Now we are going to room and I will keep this plate. I will talk to the manager and then we will go for a walk. So we had discussed with manager for the long-term booking. Now I will be monthly here and we are going on terrace for the walk.
Are you like shooting something?
Yeah. So you wanna come?
No, I don't.
Okay. So now we are going on terrace for a walk. 7th floor. So view will be different. Please. Wow. You can see whole city here. Even you can see offices directly. So we had a walk on the terrace. Now we'll go home, take rest. So now I have reached PG. Now I will rest, sleep. So we'll end vlog here. Bye, like, share, subscribe.